Hello. Good morning, good night, good evening, good afternoon, good day, good anytime you're listening to this right now. Bless up, hope everyone is in a good state of mind. Everybody feeling happy. Well, as happy as you can be, in a them circumstances. Yeah, man, so it's another day. Time to drop another video. So, as you can see, we are talking about clock shows, as it relate to the culture of Jamaica, and not only as it relate to the culture of Jamaica, but I was just reading something in the Observer yesterday, the Jamaica Observer. Apparently Clark's has to be making some new restock. They have to restock. They can't restock fast enough with the Jamaica style of Clark's. You know, a style where Jamaica love to wear, the Jamaican men and women love to wear, the bro god style. So they don't have hand, as we would say. They don't have hand to full up what order what they have, The man have my food or fight. So, it kind of struck me when I saw this, when I was reading it yesterday. I mean, we know for me I grew up, we know say we love wear clocks. Jamaican people love wear clocks from back in the day until now. You know what I mean? And then, whole heap of artists do the song about clocks from back then right up till even now. Brand new clocks per foot. So, it's a thing that has always been around. And then, it was slowing down or it was dying out, you could say. But Vibes Cartel came along and did a song with Popcorn and where you get the new clocks, the daddy? And then the thing shifted again for clocks where they start making a lot of money again. Half us, the Jamaican people. And it's, it seems as a big brand. But what I am trying to get at is, did we drop the ball on it? Did we lose another opportunity? Jamaica. They don't have hand for sell off all our clocks them. They don't have hand for make more clocks fast enough to a demand high for it from Jamaican people. Question. Is Jamaica benefiting from this? Does Jamaica get a percentage of this high demand for your product that we promoted so much? And when I say we, I mean our culture, our music, our musicians, and we listen to our musician them say, and we go buy we brand new clocks, and we put it on our foot. So is our culture benefiting from this venture from Clark's company? Or is just a cash thing and just a make money and some milk money off of it? Did we drop the ball? We should have made some arrangement instead of giving them free promotion. So I will say this about the artists them. I think when I now go do some big song about a company or a brand, I would approach the company or the brand first. Because you're basically giving them free promotion. And Jamaica have a way of dropping things, missing opportunities. We overlook things and we drop the ball on a lot of things. Whole heap of things. Cause watch out now, check all the weed thing, You see whole heap of beach them where we have where tourists them come and go. You have beach at Negril, you have beach Ochi, Mobile, everywhere you have beach at Jamaica. And you have every year one whole heap of tourists come down and they come down and they go to all the beaches. They also want ganja for smoke. They see that as a part of our culture too. So why don't we have some ganja farm, legalize some ganja farms like we have beaches? You have some whole heap of ganja farm where the tourists them go on when they come. You take them to this ganja farm, give them a tour, then can get some samples, purchase them samples, and you know what I mean, all the vibes. And the country would also benefit from that. So it's the same thing, you know, me I look upon and me I say, it seems like we now miss a whole heap of opportunity all the time. All the time. Is it because we have a blind government system, or is it just us in general blind to certain things? Me not say yes, me not blame everybody in that one because I mean, if you can promote a company without going to them and say, look man, me promote your company, so you are gonna go now. Make we make a deal or something because I'm a big artist in Jamaica. So if me say be, everybody are gonna say be. Who likes me? It's a different world now. It's like an influencer, them call it now. So if you influence a whole lot of people to do certain things, you have a lot of power. So giving this company this free advertisement, you know, me not think that makes sense. That now benefit you and it now benefit with culture. Too much free advertisement. Yeah, me just see a song with Vibes Cartel and some youth in it I sing about Air Force One. Nike Air Force One. Come on, man, come on. So everybody around go buy this and out, you know. Who listen that they tune there and get influenced by it. You know what I mean? So come on, we have to reach this modern time now. A modern time now, give people free press like that. A free promotion. You send 1 million people go buy this a product. And you wanna benefit from that. That no make sense. That no make sense. Sometimes the government not see where them fi see, them see where they not fi see. And we ourselves sometimes blind too. We not see where we need to see. We not see the broader vision. The bigger vision, So, that are just my little thought from it because me I read the newspaper yesterday and this kind of strike me and me I say, wow, look at this. Kind of madness this, but anyway, tell me what you think about it in the comment section or whatever, That are my thoughts on it. That are what me think. Me think so we have to capitalize on things like these, In modern time, man, so we need to move with the time. Them are something we have to capitalize on. You have Clarks now, I build shoes and them put with brand pan their shoes and then just make millions and billions of dollars. The country of Jamaica now benefit from it. Now benefit. We have little man them. Jamaica man them, we have people who can build shoes with Jamaica brand pan it. We not promote those people. We not promote we self. We promote this big company, we not even care. They not give a damn about Jamaica. They don't care about Jamaica. They don't care about the people inside there. All they want to make their money. But anyway, that's my thoughts for the day, people. Bless up on yourself, walk good, guidance and protection. We meet again in the next video. Bless up, respect and manners.